What's happening, guys? Jason here, and I'm back to my roots of working on old junk cars. So I ended up picking up this little 08 Buick LaCrosse here. It's got the legendary 3.8 liter in it, and typical of something you buy from a two-bit junk lot, it needs a little bit of work. So we're gonna come in here. The work that's going on right now is it dies at idle when it's hot. You gotta give it a little bit of gas and it fires up fine. So problem with these 08 and up GM vehicles is they've got the drive-by-wire and carbon builds up on the plate inside of there, and causes something exactly like this. So I'm gonna come in here and show y'all how to do this stuff, and simple fix, shouldn't cost any more than a little bit of time. So we're gonna have to take the intake elbow off right here. Just a nice little hose clamp, flat blade screwdriver. Unscrew that guy, pop our airbox lid off, looks like just two clamps, and we'll disconnect our mass air. It's got a little yank, and it'd be a good time to check out the air filter while we're in here. And a decent amount of dirt and corrosion in there that shouldn't be there. Clean that crap out. Check on the MAF in a minute. Air filter's in good enough shape. Get the light right here. I'll show y'all kind of what's going on and our culprit. So if you see all that black carbon right there, it's causing our throttle plate to stick. So basically what we're going to do right here, grab our carb cleaner and just spray that in there, and come by with a little brush and we'll start cleaning all that stuff up. Get ourselves a nice little brush and agitate all that. Ooh, that brush's bristles are shot to hell. All that carbon's cleaned out. I'm just going to do the outside of it right now. If it's still doing it, I'll just pop these 10mm bolts off, clean the inside of it. I don't really want to mess with that right now if I don't have to. These GMs from this particular era get a little real touchy about these things, and you don't really want to pry them open or anything while it's off. So we'll do the simplest, easiest way first. See if that works. Alright, that should be it. I'll go ahead and pop the mass air back on. Got it back up, and we're done. So simple little 5-minute fix to that, and yeah, thanks for watching.